Schedules can be filtered by one or more parameters to control which elements appear in a schedule. An alternative to filtering a schedule by a specific parameter or value is to filter a schedule by sheet. This allows the schedule to appear on a sheet with other views. Only the elements showing in the views placed on the sheet will be displayed in the schedule. If you later change the views that are on the sheet, the schedule will adjust automatically. For example, when the door schedule of this project is placed on the sheet with the first floor plan, all of the doors in the model are included in the schedule. You could make these three different schedules, filtered by the door number, or you could use the split schedule functionality to limit the doors displayed in the schedule. Instead, filter the schedule by sheet. Open the schedule view and select Filter in the Properties palette. Select the Filter by Sheet option near the bottom of the dialog. Click OK to apply the filter. In the schedule view, all of the doors in the model are still shown. The filter is only applied when the schedule is placed on a sheet with other views. Open the first floor plan sheet view to see that the schedule on the sheet is now only showing doors from the first level. When the same schedule is placed on a second floor plan sheet, it is automatically filtered to only show doors from the second level. Consider using the Filter by Sheet option when you want to control which elements are displayed in schedules placed on sheets in your model.